It's tiring. Oh my god, the payment amount is higher than last month. Solar panel? If interested, please contact the number listed below. Mr. Rasyad. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Are you Mr. Rasyad?
Hi, Waalaikumsalam. Yeah, it's me. Is there something I can help you with?
I saw your poster about solar panel. May I know what solar panels are?
Solar panels is a device used to absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity or heat. A solar panel is actually a collection of solar cells, which can be used to generate electricity through the photovoltaic effect.
Before I install in my house, may I know the advantages and disadvantages about the solar panel?
Yeah, sure. Among the advantages is first, renewable energy sources. It can be used anywhere in the world and always available every day. Solar energy does not run out and will always be produced as long as the sun exists. Second, reduce electricity bills. Since solar energy can provide the same need as electricity, it will reduce your bill depends on the size of the solar system and also the electricity or heat consumption. Third, low maintenance costs. Solar energy systems generally do not require much maintenance, but just need to keep it clean a few times a year is enough. Or you can always rely on a specialized cleaning company with a not so high one. For your information, based on the poster, we also have 3 times free cleaning service if you buy and install with us.
Wow, that's really cool and it cuts my cost of finding and hiring people to clean it up. Oh yeah, what are the advantages of this solar panel?
Among the disadvantages is the high cost of development. The initial cost of buying a solar system is quite high. This includes paying the price of solar panels, inverters, batteries, wiring and installation. Solar technology is constantly evolving, so it is not impossible that the price will drop in the future. Second, depending on weather conditions. Even if solar energy can be collected on days where the weather is cloudy and rainy, the efficiency of the solar system will be reduced. In fact, you also need to remember that solar energy cannot be collected at night. That's all about solar panels. So, what do you think about it?
I think I am interested in your service. I want to install this solar panel in my house because of my high monthly bill.
Thank you for trusting our service.
You're welcome. Highly recommended.
If you are interested to install solar panels in your home too, just contact the number on the poster provided. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.